Greetings and welcome to Mighty Line Minute. In today's episode, we'll explore critical lessons learned from real-world warehouse fire incidents with the goal of helping you prevent future losses. This episode is titled 12 Learnings from Major Warehouse Fire Losses and how each one can support safer, more resilient planning, operations, and business decisions. Let's get started. Number 1, life safety is the top priority. The most fundamental takeaway from warehouse fire investigations is that life safety must come first. Ensuring clear and accessible egress routes, as outlined in the NFPA 101 Life Safety Code and applicable local codes, along with effective ventilation, smoke control, and sprinkler protection, is essential to saving lives during an emergency. Number 2, early detection saves lives and property. A well-maintained fire detection and alarm system offers critical early warning. Functional smoke, fire, or particle detectors, alarm pull stations, and visual audible alarms enable quicker evacuation and give responders a head start before the situation escalates. Number 3, site selection has long-term implications. A warehouse's location directly impacts its exposure to fire and other disasters. Facilities built in flood-prone, wildfire-exposed, or seismic zones face greater risks and long-term costs. Site selection must account for environmental hazards, not just logistics and expense. Number 4, building design should incorporate fire resistance. Good warehouse design uses non-combustible materials, fire-rated barriers, and systems to contain hazardous materials and firefighting runoff. These passive features delay fire spread, protect structural integrity, and support safe evacuation and response. Number 5, code compliance is a baseline, not a guarantee. Codes and regulations set minimum standards, but strict adherence to outdated codes may still lead to catastrophic loss. Regulatory reviews should happen pre-design and stay current as codes evolve. Fire protection systems must match present and future risks. Number 6, storage must be assessed for risk, not just capacity. Storage arrangements, including commodity types, densities, and heights, greatly affect fire risk. Losses often stem from overlooked worst-case scenarios or unreviewed changes, like adding Group A plastics or hazardous materials. Hazard classifications as well as their storage schemes must be accurate and routinely updated to ensure suppression systems remain effective. Number 7, employee training is ongoing, not one time. Well-trained employees are a key defense against fire loss. This includes qualified hiring and continued investment in training in EHS, machinery, equipment, operations, and evacuation protocols. Ongoing awareness reduces errors and improves emergency response. Number 8, environmental design has safety implications. Fire doesn't just threaten people and property, it can impact air and water quality and affect the surrounding community. Warehouses should be built and operated with sustainability and environmental protection in mind, including proper ventilation, protection and containment or drainage systems to manage runoff during firefighting. Number 9, passive fire protection creates valuable redundancy. While active suppression systems are essential, passive protections like firewalls, rated materials, and approved fire stops are equally important. A fire-resilient building slows fire spread and protects occupants when active systems fail or are overwhelmed. Number 10, ventilation systems must be fire responsive. Ventilation is necessary for occupant health, but if uncontrolled during a fire, it can worsen conditions. Systems should allow automatic shutdown and give emergency responders control over rooftop exhaust fans for smoke removal when appropriate. Number 11, design details matter, even ramps. Minor features like ramp gradients can cause major problems. Poor ramp design and inadequate operator training can lead to unsafe forklift use. Sprinkler water flow, especially around hazardous materials, must also be properly contained to support safe firefighting. Every design element should be evaluated through the lens of safety, usability, and environmental impact. And finally, number 12, engage qualified experts early and often. A consistent theme in fire investigations is the importance of involving qualified professionals throughout every phase, from site selection and design to construction and inspection. Fire testing of storage commodities can reveal hazards not yet addressed in current codes. Here's some closing thoughts. The impact of a warehouse fire extends far beyond physical damage. The consequences can include environmental harm, business disruption, job losses, and in the most severe cases, serious injury or loss of life, including among emergency responders. Each of these 12 learnings point to a core principle. Risk management requires proactive thinking, current knowledge, and continuous improvement. Codes and standards matter, but only when applied with expertise, foresight, and a strong respect for the human and environmental stakes involved. Thanks for joining us on Mighty Line Minute. We hope today's episode was useful to your understandings on lessons learned in warehouse fire safety and risk management. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe. Visit us at mightylinetape.com to learn more about improving safety, operability, and visual communications. Explore how Mighty Line's durable floor tape, safety signs, symbols, and label protectors can help you meet compliance schemes while enhancing safety in your warehouse or operation. Have a safe day.